Walking on the old bear trail. See how big that tree is? It's a giant. It's a giant amongst trees. Let's keep on walking here. Right down to the waterfall. Oh, looks like a branch fell down from the old cottonwood tree. This is a giant amongst giants. You can see this here. This big old tree. How big it really is. It's an ancient giant. Towering ancient old giant. Much older than me, for sure. This tree is probably 100 years old. And amongst giants. You can hear the waterfall already. There's been more cottonwood branches that have fallen over here. Now I can hear the waterfall just rushing just up ahead of me. After all the rains, the waterfall is really gushing. Wow, look at that, eh? I better be careful. I don't fall in. Because this waterfall is really strong today. Sure. This is it.